Humaira, how spicy the dish going to be?
I'm gonna make it, make some adjustments. So we will still be able to enjoy it. I'm gonna be like medium to lower side, yeah.
Students from Leiden University come from all over the world. Food is a perfect way to connect and share. So go ahead and Dishcover the world.
Hi, my name is Humaira. I'm from Indonesia and today I'm gonna make Nasi Goreng for my friends. I like this dish because it's easy to make and then it also makes you very full with just one bite. Now I want to introduce you to the special ingredients of Nasi Goreng. Of course, first one is the nasi or the rice. Now with this, the trick is to prepare it one day before you want to cook the Nasi Goreng so it tastes better. And then I'm gonna put shrimp as well in it as a topping for the Nasi Goreng. And then because I like to make it sweet, I put in the sugar as like an addition for it to be sweet. And then because we love spicy foods, we also use the red peppers. Let's get started, but before that, I want to call my helps. Let us welcome Doa and Kira.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. So glad to have you here. Back home, there's like a store that only opens up after 6 p.m. that only sells Nasi Goreng. And it's very nice. So people, when they're hungry at 12, they will just oh, let's go out and buy Nasi Goreng. Yeah, that's why it's very special to me because it's very accessible, very easy. Okay, while my friends are cutting all the vegetables, we will be preparing the other ingredients. So now with the shrimps, because this is the topping, then you have to fry it first. And then after that, you put in all the ingredients before into the pan and then the eggs. And then you scramble them for a bit until you have a nice smell out of the vegetables. And then you put in the rice. After the rice, you put in the sweet soy sauce and also the oyster sauce. Okay, let's go.
Humaira, how spicy the dish going to be?
Oh yeah, because we usually like it to be more spicy, but I'm gonna make it, make some adjustments. So we will still be able to enjoy it. I'm gonna be medium to lower side, yeah. It'll be mild, don't worry, yeah.
Can we help you with anything else, maybe?
I'm fine right now. Thank you very much for the vegetables and all that. Maybe you can set the table?
Yeah, of course.
Now what we want to do is to scramble the eggs because we want them to be mixed with the rice later. Okay, after the eggs, because it's already smelling very nice, we can use the green onion. Put in here. Okay, it's already smelling so nice. And that's when you know that you need to put the rice in. It's now time for the liquidy ones. We have the sweet soy sauce. This is the key for Nasi Goreng in Central Java. You have to make sure that the sweet soy sauce is spreading everywhere. So the rice has to be brown. One dish that I don't really understand, the Dutch dish, is Haring. I have never tried it before and I have never, gathered the courage to try Haring because it seems very extreme to me. I want to try it, but I just can't get myself into it. So yeah, maybe Haring is the challenge for me. Okay, now we're done cooking. I'm gonna move it to the place here so my friends can eat. And then to make it more presentable, we usually put a garnish here with vegetables. Here we go, Nasi Goreng.
Oh. And the smell? Chef kiss.
It's really good.
Okay, thank you. This was my Dishcover the World. I hope you guys really like it and check the description box for the recipe. Don't forget to comment your favorite dish to win this lovely piece of apron. Bye!